Hey everybody, welcome back. This will definitely be a short one. Just got done showing you the cardboard, recycling cardboard solo stove, and we're still burning away inside there nice and good. You might be asking what this is, the title will explain. And I will try to put over here somewhere a description of the layouts, measurements, and things like that. But what you're looking at here is basically my range, my outdoor range target. I use this for zeroing, tape it. You can spray paint. They actually sell templates online if you want to put all kinds of things, but you can shoot thousands of rounds through these guys. Just spray paint over the holes and keep going till it falls apart. I mean, this is hundreds and hundreds of paper targets you're looking at. This is a much better alternative. What did it cost me? You're looking at 4 regular 2x4s. So even if they were $4 a piece, they're cheaper than that. They're around $3 a piece here in New Jersey. So I paid $12 for 4 2x4s. I paid $1.99 for each one of those clamps at Harbor Freight. That's $8. So we're looking at $20 and $30 for a 3-foot by, is it 3 foot by 3 foot? I can put a link in the description for the Tractor Supply. It's a horse stall mat. It's basically 1/2 inch thick solid rubber and weighs about 45 pounds, but I cut it to 24 inches wide. So this is 3 feet tall, 2 feet wide. How did I do it? Again, I will post a picture of the dimensions for everything. Basically screwed this base together. These 2 vertical poles, they just slide in. You're going to make it tight enough so if you have 24 inches to the inside diameter of the outer legs, you have 21 inches to the inner dimension inside the 2x4, right? Every 2x4 is 1.5 inches thick by 2.5 inches wide. So we have to accommodate, I'm sorry, 3.5 inches wide. Anyway, talking on YouTube is not my greatest thing. So what ends up happening is these just wedge themselves in place, and if you go out and you spend $40 or $50 or even $20 on a cheap one on Amazon for one of those metal frames, they blow around. The wind shakes them. If you're outdoors, it's a real pain in the ass. This, I don't bring sandbags. I don't bring anything. This thing weighs enough. It holds itself down. It doesn't move the entire time. And when there's an all clear on the range and everybody goes out to change their paper and all that kind of stuff, I basically just go, walk over, get some white spray paint. You can get this stuff real cheap at Walmart. It doesn't matter what color. Find a spot, fill in the holes. It's not a big deal. If you buy a plastic template, whatever, lay the template over it, spray it. But I find this works perfectly for me. Over and over again. Shoot holes through it, spray the holes, keep going. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I hope to bring a lot more content out like this. Have a good one.